A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, we are with teacher, Vybz Kartel with So God Bless. So, there is something that I spotted. I don't know if other people spot it yet. Obviously, the song just released. It's not the title of the song. I can flick to that screen here. Not the title of the song. Oh, no can't see it now. It's So, capital S, common O. Then capital G-O-D. And then bless, starting with a capital B. So God bless. I don't think a lot of you know which part I go with this. So maybe just leave it there. So if you don't know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Leave it there. So make a jump in the one and hear what Adi said, man. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Hey, girl, anywhere you go, I follow you like my shadow. Tell me where you want, baby, I got you. Anywhere you walk, I feel turn up. Shawty, I'm a star, ready, shine them flex. Start them a dark, but you're so God bless. Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness.
Anyway, you're gonna follow you like me, shut up.
Tell me where you want, baby, I got you. Anywhere you walk, I feel turn up. Shawty, I'm a star, ready, shine them flex. Start them a dark, but you're so God bless. Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness. Ignite your life, dynamite.
Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness. Can't see nothing. Ray Charles, that away there. I can't tell.
Anywhere you go, I follow you like my shadow. Tell me where you want, baby, I got you. Anywhere you walk, I feel turn up.
Yeah.
Shawty, I'm a star, ready, shine them flex. Start them a dark, but you're so God bless. Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness. Ignite your life, dynamite. Oh, love it when you're up. Ignite your life, dynamite. Yeah. Girl, love your bag, yeah, me love your bag. If you be my girl, you're the only one I have.
Hold on.
I'ma take you shopping, I'ma hit you with the bag. Winters in Dubai, carnival in Trinidad.
Yeah.
I'ma meet your mom, I'ma meet your dad. Introduce me to your dog and your little brother Brad. Yeah, you have your exes, but you're never up for grab. Cause you're tight, clean kitty, cause you never give me crap.
Fire verse. Fire verse.
Tell me where you want, baby, I got
Fire
you.
verse.
Anywhere you walk, I feel turn up. Shawty, I'm a star, ready, shine them flex. Start them a dark, but you're so
God bless.
Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness. Ignite your life, dynamite. Oh, love it when you're up. Ignite your life, dynamite. Yeah.
Cartel.
Love your bag, yeah, me love your bag.
What one?
If you be my girl, you're the only one I have.
Yeah.
I'ma take you shopping, I'ma hit you with the bag. Winters in Dubai, carnival in Trinidad.
I'ma take you shopping, I'ma hit you with the bag. Winters in Dubai, carnival in Trinidad. Yeah, to the wall. Well.
I'ma take you shopping, I'ma hit you with the bag. Winters in Dubai, carnival in Trinidad.
Yeah.
I'ma meet your mom, I'ma meet your dad. Introduce me to your dog and your little brother Brad.
Everybody me a meet. Ali Dog. Ali G. No, Ali D-O-G. Yeah, Ali D-O-G. Wait a man. Introduce me to your mom. Introduce me to your dad. Introduce me to your dog and your little brother, Brad. Yo, Brad, what go on? You meet the teacher? All right, me see.
Babe, I'ma meet your mom,
I'ma meet your dad.
introduce me to your dog and your little brother Brad. Yeah, you have your exes, but you're never up for grabs. Cause you're tight, clean kitty, cause you never give me crabs.
Yeah, you have your exes, but you're never up for grabs. Have your tight, clean kitty, but you never give me crabs. Yeah. Wait a man.
Cause you're tight, clean kitty, cause you never give me crabs.
Yeah.
Exes, but you never up for grabs. Cause you're tight, clean kitty,
Pat
cause you never give me
your
crabs.
tight, clean kitty, yeah.
Anywhere you walk, I feel turn up. Shawty, I'm a star, ready, shine them flex. Start them a dark, but you're so God bless. Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness. Ignite your life, dynamite. Love it when you're up. Ignite your life, dynamite. Yeah.
Second verse.
The can't hold you too hot for anger. All them want to do is just run up and down. One man you have and him love you can't done. And him not tie you down, you still have your freedom.
Yeah, one man you have, mama. One man you have, and him not control it, him not tie you down. You still have your freedom, even though one man you have. You not come like some of them gal, run up and down like track star. Them gal want more time than supermarket. I know you that, I know you that, I know you that.
Them can't hold you too hot for anger. All them want to do is just run up and down. One man you have and him love you can't done. And him not tie you down, you still have your freedom. Cause you're the best one that I know. But when you win the shots and it just a ride up.
Yeah. Love when in a shot and it just a ride up. Just a ride up on it. Alright, let's go.
Cause you're the best one that I know. But when you win the shots and it just a ride up. You take the spotlight at any award show. Red carpet like the Grammys are mobile.
Anywhere you go, any award show, red carpet, you take it. Red carpet, you take it. Whether Grammys, whether Mobos, whether anything you go, how you would take it? Even Grammys, that's how you go.
You take the spotlight at any award show. Red carpet like the Grammys are mobile. Anywhere you walk, I fi turn up. Shawty are a star when they shine them flags. Start them a dark, but you're so God-blessed. Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness. Ignite your life, dynamite. Love it when you're up. Ignite your life, dynamite.
Yo, Kartel, love a one dancer, SMG. Kartel, you're not something to the dancer.
Left a dirty girl in a pale darkness.
What time do you again? Okay. Yeah, love you one dancer, man.
Love it when you're up. Ignite your life, dynamite. Yeah. Anywhere you go, I follow you like my shadow. Tell me where you are, baby, and I got you. Anywhere you walk, I fi turn up. Shawty are a star when they shine them flags. Start them a dark, but you're so God-blessed. Left a dirty girl
in a pale darkness.
Ignite your life, dynamite. Love it when you're up. Ignite your life, dynamite. Yeah.
Hold on, man. Hold on then. No one ever big up yourself. That song, I feel like it aims directly at see them. See them in my sing but not that song, yeah. Nobody can them and see them. We see them travel the world with them. We see them on red carpet with a mobile or Grammys. We see them there with them. See them, I mention them thing in a song. See them have one man, a cartel. We see them, yo, I see them, the man attack. We see them. We see them. We see the similarities them. We see them. See them in my talk. What do you say? I don't see them in my talk. I believe you, me see I see them in my talk. Big up yourself, see them. Yo, what do you think what I want to do? A bubble clap. Hi. Hi. Hello. Kartel again. Kartel I give him music. Kartel I give him music. He might give videos too. He might give music and videos. He's consistent with it. Kartel has always been consistent with it. So now him forward back on their road now, and him hit the ground running. Him back to regular Kartel, regular music videos, regular everything. Kartel that. I salute you, sir. I salute you, sir. Also, we just want to say respect for the repost where you give me with on Instagram, my G. Big thing, big up yourself. Yes, I'm a big deal, but I'm a Chris Martin. You know what I mean? Yes, man. Gaza fans, let me know what you think what I want. Please, not in the comment section, alright? I'll be down there waiting, alright? Peace.
A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.